Hello, welcome to our classes, my YouTube channel. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on Constitution of India part 1st. I have compiled it specifically for BTech third year students of AKTU, those who have to write this paper in their semester's examination. Now come to the question. Question number 1. Which country has the lengthiest constitution in the world? Options are A. United States, B. France, C. India, D. Japan. Correct option is C. India. Here, explanation of this question is that at around 444 articles that are divided in 22 parts and 12 schedules, India's constitution stands considerably larger than most other constitutions in the world. United States Constitution is the shortest written constitution with just 7 articles. Now, question number 2. What is the date of adoption of the Constitution? A. 26th November 1949, B. 26th January 1950, C. 15th of August 1947, D. 30th January 1960. Correct option is A. 26th November 1949. Question number 3. Which of the three words were added later to the preamble? A. Justice, liberty, equality. B. Socialist, republic, justice. C. Sovereign, fraternity, political. D. Secular, socialist, integrity. Correct option is D. Socialist, secular, and integrity. Actually, these words were added through the 42nd Amendment Act in 1976. Now, question number 4. Which article in the Constitution provides guidelines for amending the preamble? A. Article 30, B. Article 200, C. Article 368, D. Article 256. Correct option is C. Article 368. Here, there is a procedure for amending the Constitution, and since the preamble is also regarded as a part of the Constitution, it can be amended. It was indeed amended in 1976 by the 42nd Amendment Act. Now, come to the question. Question number 5. Which famous case involved the term basic structure of the Constitution? A. Keshavananda Bharati versus State of Kerala 1973. B. Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India 1978. C. Visakha versus State of Rajasthan 1997. D. Indira Sani versus Union of India 1992. Correct option is A. Keshavananda Bharati versus State of Kerala 1973. In this famous case, actually, the court gave us the famous doctrine of basic structure that dedicated that the Constitution cannot be changed beyond a certain limit. Now, question number 6. Which articles in the Constitution grants us the right to equality? A. Article 14 to 18, B. Article 23 to 24, C. Article 32, D. Article 368. Correct option is A. Article 14 to 18. Here, these articles actually include equality before law, social equality and equal access to public areas, equality in matters of public employment, abolition of untouchability, abolition of titles. Now, question number 7. Which articles in the Constitution grants us the right to freedom? A. Article 14 to 18, B. Article 19 to 22, C. Article 32, D. Article 368. Correct option is B. Article 19 to 22. This includes freedom of speech and expression, freedom to assemble peacefully, freedom to form associations or unions, freedom to move freely throughout the territory of India, freedom to live and settle in any part of the territory of India, freedom to practice any profession or to carry on any occupation, trade or business. Now, question number 8. Which articles in the Constitution grants us the right against exploitation? Options are A. Article 14 to 18, B. Article 23 to 24, C. Article 32, D. Article 368. Correct option is B. Article 23 to 24. This includes eradication of human trafficking and forced labor, obviously beggars, abolition of employment of children below the age of 14 years in dangerous jobs like factories and mines, etc. Now, come to next slide. Number 9. Which articles in the Constitution grants us the right to freedom of religion? A. Article 14 to 18, B. Article 23 to 24, C. Article 25 to 28, D. Article 368. Correct option here is C. Article 25 to 28. Here this includes freedom of conscience and free profession, practice and propagation of religion, freedom to run religious affairs, no compulsion to pay any tax for the promotion or maintenance of any religion, freedom as to attendance at religious instruction or religious worship in certain educational institution. Now, come to the next question, that is question number 10. Which articles in the Constitution grants us the right to constitutional remedies? A. Article 14 to 18, B. Article 23 to 24, C. Article 32, D. Article 368. Correct option is C. Article 32. Here, the explanation of it is that different writs in the Constitution aim at protecting the fundamental rights of citizens. Habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, quo warranto, and certiorari. Habeas corpus means that the arrested person must be brought before the court that holds the right to set the person free if the grounds of arrest are found to be faulty. Mandamus. Mandamus is issued when an office holder is found to misuse his duties. There is another term, prohibition. Prohibition is issued by higher courts when they find that lower courts have made judgments beyond their powers of jurisdiction. Quo warranto. Quo warranto is basically issued when the court finds that the office holder is illegally holding that position. Certiorari is issued when a court wants to order a lower court or similar authority to transfer some matter pending before it to other courts or other authorities. Now, question number 11. What is the date of adoption of the Constitution? This has been in fact covered earlier. A. 26th November 1949, B. 26th January 1950, C. 15th of August 1947, D. 30th January 1960. Correct option is A. 26th November 1949. Actually, on 26th November 1949, the Constituent Assembly adopted by Constitution of India. The Constitution was drafted by a committee headed by Dr. V.R. Ambedkar. The Constitution came into effect from 26th January 1950. Now, question number 12. The feature of concurrent list in our Constitution is borrowed from which country's Constitution? A. Japan, B. Ireland, C. United States, D. Australia. Correct option is D. Australia. Now, question number 13. Which constitutional amendment added the part of fundamental duties to the Constitution? A. 42nd Constitutional Amendment, B. 62nd Constitutional Amendment, C. 78th Constitutional Amendment, D. 34th Constitutional Amendment. Correct option is A. 42nd Constitutional Amendment. The fundamental duties were added to the Constitution by the 42nd Amendment in 1976 upon the recommendations of the Swaran Singh Committee. Now, question number 14. The Westminster model of Government followed by India is borrowed from A. British form of government, B. United States, C. Japanese form of government, D. Australian form of government. Correct option is A. British form of government. The Westminster model of government followed by India is borrowed from British form of government. Actually, the UK also has an unwritten constitution, because if it does not have any single document that codifies all of their principles and laws. This is why it is said that the United Kingdom has unwritten constitution. Now, question number 15. The parliamentary form of government is borrowed from A. British form of government, B. United States, C. Japanese form of government, D. Australian form of government. Correct option is here A. British form of government. This video tutorial, I hope that all of you have liked it, and definitely you need to like it, because you are to write your final semester's examination very soon as per AKTU syllabus. If you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.